This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. What's up, guys? In today's video we are going to know about Nmap. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Nmap is a free and open source utility for network discovery and security auditing. Many systems and network administrators also find it useful for tasks such as network inventory, managing service upgrade schedules, and monitoring host or service uptime. Nmap uses raw IP packets in novel ways to determine what hosts are available on the network, what services those hosts are offering, what operating systems and OS versions they are running, what type of packet filters or firewalls are in use, and dozens of other characteristics. It was designed to rapidly scan large networks, but works fine against single hosts. Nmap started as a Linux utility and was ported to other systems including Windows, macOS, and BSD. It is most popular on Linux, followed by Windows. Nmap was created by Gordon Lyon, also known by his pseudonym Fyodor Vaskovich. Nmap supports dozens of advanced techniques for mapping out networks filled with IP filters, firewalls, routers, and other obstacles. This includes many port scanning mechanisms, both TCP and UDP, OS detection, version detection, ping sweeps, and more. Nmap has been used to scan huge networks of literally hundreds of thousands of machines. Nmap not only provides the network details, but it also helps in determining the security flaws that exist in the system. Network administrators use Nmap to identify what devices are running on their systems, discovering hosts that are available and the services they offer, finding open ports and detecting security risks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe this channel. See you in next video. Goodbye.